The kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, can quickly transform into a battleground of overflowing cabinets and appliance chaos. We yearn for a space that inspires creativity and fosters a sense of calm, a place where the act of cooking becomes a joyful experience. Enter the minimalist kitchen, a haven of clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a focus on creating delicious meals with ease. Here, simplicity reigns supreme. Imagine a world where every element serves a purpose, where functionality and aesthetics intertwine to create a space that is both beautiful and efficient. The minimalist kitchen is more than just a design trend, it's a philosophy that invites us to reevaluate our relationship with our culinary space. The minimalist kitchen embraces a simple color palette. Whites, grays, and blacks create a sense of calm and spaciousness. Imagine a kitchen bathed in soft natural light, where the clean lines of white cabinetry create a sense of serenity. Pops of warm wood accents, like butcher block countertops or open shelving, add a touch of warmth and texture without compromising the overall minimalist aesthetic. Here, the focus is on clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. Gone are the days of ornate cabinet doors and distracting hardware. Flat front cabinets create a seamless, contemporary look, emphasizing the overall streamlined design. But minimalism isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. Hidden storage solutions become your secret weapon. Sleek cabinet doors conceal an abundance of neatly organized cookware and pantry staples. Pull-out drawers with clean lines offer easy access to utensils and spices, ensuring everything has its designated place. This approach not only minimizes clutter but also promotes a sense of order and reduces the frustration of searching for that elusive tool in a cramped cabinet. In a minimalist kitchen, function takes center stage. High-quality appliances are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are designed to elevate your culinary experience. Imagine a sleek stainless steel oven that boasts precise temperature control, ensuring flawlessly roasted vegetables or perfectly baked cakes. Imagine a cooktop that offers even heating, allowing you to sear steaks to perfection or simmer sauces with ease. Here, form and function go hand in hand. Built-in features like spice racks or utensil holders keep essentials close at hand without cluttering countertops. Hidden appliance garages tucked away in cabinets allow for a clean aesthetic when not in use, but keep your favorite tools readily accessible when inspiration strikes. The minimalist kitchen prioritizes efficiency. Every element, from the high-performance appliances to the strategically placed storage, is designed to streamline your cooking process. This isn't just about having the latest gadgets, it's about having the right tools that empower you to create with confidence. The minimalist kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a calm and efficient space for cooking. Imagine yourself chopping vegetables on a well-lit countertop, surrounded by only the essential tools you need. Ample counter space allows for comfortable food preparation, eliminating the frustration of cramped and cluttered surfaces. Strategically placed storage ensures that frequently used items are readily accessible. No more scrambling through overflowing drawers or cabinets for that elusive spatula. Everything has its designated place, promoting a sense of order and reducing the pre-cooking anxiety that can often arise in a cluttered kitchen. This streamlined approach not only saves time but also reduces stress. The clean lines and uncluttered surfaces create a sense of tranquility, allowing you to focus on the true joy of cooking. Imagine the satisfaction of creating a delicious meal in a space that feels organized and serene. The minimalist kitchen fosters a mindful approach to cooking, transforming the act of preparing food from a chore into a creative and enjoyable experience. Good lighting is essential in any kitchen, and in a minimalist space, it's even more crucial. Imagine a kitchen bathed in the warm glow of natural light streaming through expansive windows. This natural light not only creates a bright and airy atmosphere but also reduces reliance on artificial lighting during the day. However, as the sun sets, strategically placed task lighting ensures proper illumination for chopping, prepping, and cooking. Pendant lights hanging elegantly over the countertop provide a warm and focused light source, while recessed lighting under cabinets eliminates shadows and ensures every corner of your workspace is well lit. This thoughtful approach to lighting allows you to seamlessly transition from day to night without sacrificing functionality or the minimalist aesthetic.